Hello everyone, in this video we will save data to the Firebase Realtime Database. So to do that we have created this write component, and as first thing let's add 3 import lines. In the first import line we are importing useStateHook to update the values of our variables, which we will soon create. And in the second import line we are importing app from Firebase config, and this app is pointing us to the Firebase database. And then here we have 4 special methods from Firebase Realtime Database. Okay, this is important. If you are using Firebase Firestore, then your special methods will change. They are not going to be the same. Okay, keep this in mind. And then actually we can now start to create our input fields. So to do that, let's delete this, go down, and here is our first input. And let's copy this one more time for our second input, because we will create 2 input fields and we will save the values of those input fields into the Firebase Realtime Database. And for the value, we should create some variables. Our variables are ready, and we can now grab this, paste it here, also paste it here, make it 2. And now let's add onChange event. Great. So now what we need to do is to add a break tag actually, and then let's add a button here. Our button is ready. Let's say save data, and let's put a onClick event, and let's say save data. Okay, and now let's go up. The only thing that is left is to create our function. So let's say const save data is equal to FAA, and let's make this function asynchronous because we are saving data to a database. So the first thing is to grab database, is to create a variable which will point to database, and then here we can use the first special function here. We will say get database, and as a parameter we can say app. And now let's go one line down. So here we can say anything. I will just say new document. Now let's use the second special method, which is push, and we will push what and where. We will push by referencing the database, and here we can create a folder and also a subfolder. So for the folder I can say nature, and for the subfolder I can say fruits. And for saving data, we can say set, and we will save what? We will save new document. We will save to new document, or maybe let's say new document reference. I mean, it will be a reference where we want to save new document. And here what we will save? We will save this data, input value 1 and input value 2, but we will save them as what? Maybe we can be more descriptive. We can say fruit name for the input value 1, fruit definition for the second input value. Okay, that's it. And now we can connect it to a then event, and here again we will create an arrow function. And inside this arrow function, if everything goes right, we just need to alert the user that data saved successfully. And if not, we can catch the error and also display that. Actually, that's it. Our component is finished. Let's save everything. In your git-ignore file, if there is no .env, so please add it like that. It should be .env. Now let's initiate our project in the browser. As you can see, we have an error. It says that export default app is not found. So let's go and check our, where is it? Firebase config, yeah, this one. Actually, it's right. So we need to export it. Export default app. That's it. Save it. Close this. And let's reinitiate it, but here there is one more error. Right, E is not defined. 2738. Where is it? I guess it should be here exactly. We need to define it in the parameter area. So we fixed the second error. Okay, now let's npm start. Our page is open, so now let's save some data. Okay, apple, red, fruit. Let's add the definition for the apple. Save the data saved successfully. Nice. Let's check if it is really saved. I think it was this one. And let's go to real-time database. Nature, well, that's nice. Fruits, exactly. A red fruit is apple. Everything works fine. And if you think this was useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye bye.